Hello and welcome to another video session. Beanfx Trader. Our website is www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to see the articles we have published on how you can trade Forex and volatility index. Okay, our channel Beanfx Trader, we want you to subscribe to our channel. Ensure you click the subscription button so that you get to see our videos. Also like our videos and then make comments below the video. You can ask questions. We will try as much as possible to respond to your questions. Okay, don't forget to click the notification button. It's a bell button below the video so that you'll be notified when we release the next video. Okay, now today we'll be looking at a strategy that you can use to trade volatility index. All right, now my chart, I have volatility 75, index 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and I have two windows. I have the main window and I have indicator window 1. All right, now this is my main window. This is my main window and this is indicator window 1. Okay, now let's look at the settings on the main window. We'll look at the settings on the main window. Okay, we have fractals. The first indicator is fractals. Fractals help me to identify the point of price rejection. So if you load fractals on your chart, it will pop up some arrows as price turns from one point to another. And then once you have an arrow, you know that there's a rejection. That's a rejection point, which might form your support or resistance level. Okay, so that's the essence of loading fractals on the chart. Now the next indicator is moving average. I have a 30 period exponential moving average and it's applied to close. The color is blue. Then I have 7 period simple moving average applied to close and the color is red. Then I have 340 period moving average, 340 period moving average. The shift is 50. The method is simple. Apply to high and the color is black. Okay, I have 340 period moving average, another one. Shift is 50. Method is simple. Apply to low. The initial one is applied to high, but this particular one is applied to low and the color is black. Okay, then the next indicator is Bollinger Bands. Period is 20. Deviation is 2.0. Shift is 0. Apply to close and the color is black. Then lastly on the main chart I have 20 period moving average, 20 simple moving average, 20 period simple moving average. Apply to close, the color is blue. All right, so let's go to the chart, the main chart. This is the main chart. So main chart. Okay, the way the strategy works on the main chart is you allow the price, you allow price to cross down and close like we have around here, cross down, close below the red line, which is your 13 period moving average. Okay, like you have a cross down here. All right, once you have something like this, you sell, you place your sell trade somewhere around there after the close of the 5-minute candle. Place your sell trade somewhere around here. Okay, but you have to be very careful that you do not have a candle that closes here but with a long wick, which might imply reversal. As long as the wick is short, like for this example, the wick for this particular candle is short, so you are good to sell. And you can see what happened. Price tick down, so you can scalp some profit. All right, so similar situation happens for buy scenario, like the current candle is giving us a bullish candle, so we'll wait for it to close. If it closes with a short wick, this current candle closes with a short wick at the upper end, then we are good to buy. All right, if it closes with a long wick, then we may expect reversal and we may stay action and not execute any order. All right, so that's basically how the strategy works on the main chart. Don't forget, you allow price, okay, to cross down and close below the 13 moving average for itself. Also allow it to cross up, like you have a cross up here. This candle is fair enough, so I can easily place a buy trade. I easily place a buy trade around here. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. I expect the price to go up. Let's see, it's trying to go up already. Trying to go up. Okay. It's going up already in profit. And you can see what's happening. So that's just how it works. Allow the candle to close like you have around here. Close with little or no wick. Okay, that will tell you price going down. Also allow it to close, all right, lapping across the 13 period moving average, which is the red line. Okay, with little or no wick. The wick must be smaller compared to the body of the candle. Talking about the candle that laps across the 13 moving average. All right, I can see now it just made $3.77. Okay, using 0.003 lots. All right, so that's basically how the strategy works. Like a wrap around here, allow the candle to lap. Okay, it may touch the lower band, lower Bollinger before lapping, and it may not, but just allow it to lap across. Okay, I can just scalp off this. All right, or I can trim down the lot size. Okay, let me just take. All right, so I did partial. What I just did is a partial take profit. I took part of the profit. From 0.003, I reduced the lot size to 0.001, and I took some profits. Okay, and price still going up. All right, so I can scalp this off at this moment. Can scalp it off. Can place stop loss. I can place stop loss around this point, okay? But I'll rather scalp it off. All right. Okay, so that's just how it works. Very simple and effective strategy. This 5 minute time frame, volatility 75 index. All right. So like you have a buy here and you have a sell here. All right. Okay. You can see what happened if price close laps, almost touch or touches the upper band and then laps across the 13 period moving average. All right. And closes where it is right now. Closes somewhere around here. Okay. And you take a sell. All you need to do is just ride and scalp off till it touches. It may touch the lower band, it may not, but you know around the lower band is your take profit area, but you can scalp off your profit along the line. And same thing happens for buy trade. Touches the lower, it may touch, it may not, but as long as it laps above, closes above the 13 period moving average, and you have little or no wick at the top, okay, then you place a buy trade and you can see what happened. Price went up, okay, went up. So you can trail your profit, you can close part of the profit, and you can put stop loss, manually move stop loss, okay, to protect your trade in profit. You look at another example here. Is another example. Price laps across the red line, okay. You can see what happened. It went down, okay. So that's just the way it works on the main chart. Okay, another example is around here. It's another example. Price laps somewhere around here. All right. You can see it went up, came down, still lapsed again, and then you can see what happened. Okay, so that's the way the strategy works. Just ensure that price crosses and laps somewhere around here. All right, and you place your trade and then enjoy the profit. Okay, so that's one side to the main chart. Another side to the main chart is you can also allow price to lap above and close above the 20 and the 30 period moving average, the blue colored moving averages. Okay, so give you some profit if it laps across somewhere around here. From the lower Bollinger Bands, laps here you have a buy signal, and laps here you have another buy signal. Okay, make sure it cross the second signal or confirmation must close above the two blue lines like you have around here. Talking about these blue lines here, your 30 and your 30 and your 20 moving averages. All right, ensure that price close above it to take your second trade or your second signal. The first signal will be laps across the 13 period moving average somewhere around here. Second signal is the 20 and 30, both. It must lap across both and close above the upper line. All right, for buy scenario, then it must close below the lower line, like you have something like this, closing below the lower line somewhere here. Okay, just read the candle. All right, even if you look at this initial candle, it laps and closes below all three lines, the red and the two blue lines. All right, for you to take your trade. Okay, so that's the way it works. That's the way the strategy works. It's a very good strategy. Like you are having somewhere around here, allow it to lap and close. It's about closing above the line. So as soon as it closes above the line, it closes above the upper blue line, you can take your buy, place your buy trade. But if it closes between and then rejects, then that's going to be a resistance area. But if it closes above, then you have possibility of price going a bit higher, and you can scalp some profit over there. Okay, so that's the way the strategy works on the main chart. Another side to the strategy is, to this very strategy is, you allow price to lap across the lower band. As soon as price laps across the lower band, then you can take a trend, the sell. You can place a sell trade and then enjoy your profit. Okay, lower band. As soon as you have a lower band lapping, you can sell. Use your sell trade and then ride. All right, and for this kind of situation, your stop loss for the trend ride will be at the high of your, let me remove the shapes so that you understand what I'm talking about here. Okay, another side to the strategy, if you look at this is not lapping. This candle here is a bullish candle, so we can't call it a signal. But this is a bearish candle, so it's a signal. And it also laps across the lower band. Laps across the lower band around here. Okay, so this is gonna be your entry. All right, entry point. Your stop loss will be somewhere above the eye of that candle, of the signal candle. Okay, this is your signal candle. Okay, it's going to be your stop loss area. It's your entry. It's lapping, the candle is lapping across the lower band, and you enjoy your profit as price goes down. All right, so that's for trend trades. Okay, you can see what happened. A lap, and you can see price going up. All right, it's a bullish run. Okay, so let's look at another lap across. Okay, we have a lap across the upper band here. Okay, for this particular trade didn't last for long. This will be your entry, close of the lapping candle across the upper band will be your entry, and the low will be your stop loss. The low point will be your stop. The low point is around here. That's where you place your stop loss. Although this particular trade didn't last for long, this is another example. Laps across. Okay, that candle laps across. This particular candle laps across. So you place your trade somewhere around here. Place your trade here. Okay, you enter your sell trade. The stop loss will be here. All right, somewhere above the eye of that very lapping candle. Okay, and you enjoy the sell. All right, this is a buy situation. Okay, laps across the upper band. All right, so your entry will be somewhere here. Okay, and your stop loss will be the low of that lapping candle. Okay, so that's that, and then you enjoy the ride. All right, enjoy the profit. Okay, now let's look at the settings for indicator window 1. And look at the settings for indicator with one. We have MACD. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The main color is, and the signal color will match the background color of your chart. Then we have Bollinger Bands. Period is 64. Deviation is 1.119. Apply to first indicator's data. The color also match the background color of the chart. Then we have moving average. 50 period moving average. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicator's data. The color is black. Then we have momentum. Period is 6. Apply to close. Color is orange. And we have momentum. Period is 7. Apply to close. Color is red. So that's that for the indicators on the indicator window 1. Now how it works is when the momentum indicators, the red and the orange lines, cross the 50 period moving average down as your sell signal. All right, when it crosses up, your buy signal. Okay, and you can see at the time it crosses up here, you can see what happened. Price went up. Okay, all right, and when it crossed down here, price went down. Okay, so at every crossing you have price reacting. Okay, so that's basically how it works. It's crossing up here, crossed up here, and we can see what happened. Price is shooting up. All right, so that's that for this strategy. It's a very good strategy. You will like it when you have when you learn about a new strategy. The first thing to do is to backtest. Backtest means you check it with history. Does all the signals and the indicators, do they give signals in line with what you are expecting? You check historical events, historical happenings, historical price movements. Okay, now that's backtesting. You test it. Oh, there's a lap here. Is it selling? Is it buying? There's a cross over here. Is it buying? Is it selling? And now if you are comfortable with the back test, then you try it on demo account. You try some trades on demo account. Okay, you check it out. Check your performance on demo account. If you are satisfied with your performance on demo account, then you can go live. All right, so when you learn about a new strategy, don't go live. Don't just go live. Make sure you check and you practice and you backtest and you demo the strategy before trying it with your real money. That's very, very important. Okay, try it so that you get a grip of how to identify the signals. All right, before attempting to trade real money. All right, so let me just take the settings again for the indicators. On the main chart you have fractals. Okay, purple color. Then you have moving average, 30 period exponential moving average. Apply to close, color is blue. Then you have 7 period simple moving average. Apply to close, color is red. Then we have 340 period simple moving average. Shift is 50. Apply to high and color is black. Also have 340 period simple moving average. Shift is still 50, but this time around apply to low and the color is black. And we have Bollinger Bands. Period is 20. Deviation is 2.00. Apply to close and the color is black. And then we have 20 period simple moving average. Apply to close, color is blue. That's for the main chart. Now for indicator window 1, we have MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. apply to close, and the color of the main and its signal stars will match the background color. Then we have Bollinger Bands. Period is 64, division is 1.119, shift is 0, apply to first indicator's data, and the color will match the background color of your MT5 chart. And we have moving average, 50 linear weight moving average, period is 50, apply to first indicator's data, and the color is black. And we have momentum indicator. The first one, the period is 6, apply to close, and the color is orange. And the second momentum indicator, the period is 7, apply to close, and the color is red. So that's that for the settings, and that's that for the strategy. Don't forget, if you are going to use this strategy, allow price to close below. It may touch the upper band, it may not, but as it reverses, let the price candle laps across the red moving average, which is a 13 period, and closes below it with little or no wick at the low. This is the low, and then you place your entry, your sell entry at that low. Okay, and for buy situation, allow the price to lap, just like you have here, little or no wick at the high. Okay, because if you have a long wick, then it may reverse, but little or no wick, then you are good to buy. Okay, very simple strategy, very simple. And if you miss the first leg, which is this first buy, you can wait for the second buy here. Okay, laps across the two blue moving averages, which is your 20 and your 30 moving averages. So you have a lap across, you can enter your buy trade somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, you can still enjoy some profit. If you miss the train the first time, you can still wait for it the second time and jump onto the train and then enjoy some profit. Okay, and then on indicator on the as regards lapping for trend signal, we allow it to lap. The first one to lap, you can see there's no lap whatsoever here, but you have a first lap here, so that will be your signal bar. As it closes, place your sell entry at the closing price. Okay, this is your sell entry here, somewhere around here. Okay, of course, make sure you have your stop loss. Okay, because you may expect a trend and you may not get a trend. The stop loss will be at the high, and then enjoy the trend as it trends down, as price trends down. Okay, as price trends down, enjoy your money, get the profit. Okay, same thing for buy situation. And for the indicator window one, allow the crossover. Okay, and let me tell you, you have a buy situation, then enjoy some profit. And same thing happens for the sell situation, allow crossover. Okay, and then enjoy some profit. So that's the way the strategy works. Very simple and effective strategy. Okay, make sure you back test on demo. Don't rush to go live. Okay, so that you don't lose your money. Try it on demo account first before going live. Okay, all right, that's that for the strategy. We have other good strategies published on our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. Visit our website, you see very good strategies that we have explained for you on the site. We have a translator, you can translate it to any language you want on the site. Okay, also on our channel Beanfx Trader, we have other videos that we have explained different strategies on how to trade Forex, volatility index, boom and crash, gold, okay, whatever, NASDAQ 100, okay, or other currency asset that you want to trade. We have explained how you can load the settings, how you can get your buy signal, get your sell signal, okay. Everything is explained in our videos. Just click the video and watch. And as you watch, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Those of you that have subscribed, say a big thank you for subscribing. Keep the subscription going, please. Okay, you can share our videos and encourage your friends and family to also subscribe. All right, then like our videos. There's a way the YouTube algorithm, pushes our videos to other viewers that does not know about us. The algorithm will push our videos for them to view if our likes increases. So click the like button under the video. Also make comments below the video. If you like the video, just express yourself. All right, if you have questions, you don't understand any part of the strategy, just state it below the video. We'll explain as time goes on. All right, don't forget to click the subscription button if you have not click the subscription button, then also click the notification button, the bell button below the video. Click it so that as soon as we publish a video, to notify you on the notification bar of your YouTube window. So that's that for today's strategy. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.